This is Introduction to Corda Distributed Ledger Technology Development. This course is a presentation of Coding Bootcamps. This session is the Introduction to Corda and how R3 Corda works. A little bit about myself. My name is Jim Sullivan. I have a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and an MS in Computer Science. I also hold an MBA. I am an IBM Master Instructor, an O'Reilly Media Instructor, and Senior Blockchain Developer for DC Webmakers. As a software engineer, I lead an expert team in blockchain development, also DevOps, cloud applications, application development, and the safe agile methodology. And I work with blockchain platforms such as Hyperledger, Ethereum, and Corda. Some prerequisites. Recommended prerequisites: introduction to Java programming, learn Kotlin programming by examples, and introduction to blockchain technology. Please check back with Coding Bootcamps on all of these courses. The topics we'll cover are, we'll find out what Corda is. I said distributed ledger technology and not blockchain. They are the same thing, but they're not the same thing, and we'll talk about that. Getting set up, and we'll actually write a Corda distributed application, or CorDapp. We're going to learn about Corda states, Corda contracts, and Corda flows. And then we are actually going to run our CorDapp, or our Corda distributed application. This is what it looks like. It may look complex, but it's really not all that complex. And some of the takeaways, what you'll learn by finishing this class: we're going to learn about Corda states, Corda contracts, Corda flows, and the workings of the Corda distributed application, or CorDapp. Some follow-up classes: Introduction to Blockchain Cybersecurity, learn Solidity Programming by Examples, Hyperledger Fabric for Developers, Ethereum Blockchain Development, Hyperledger Fabric for System Administrators, and Hyperledger Sawtooth for System Admins. See you in the session.